Yo, what's up? It's Ben with Digital Dreams, and we are in Mill Valley, California. Today is Tuesday, April 5th, and we're at Playa Restaurant where we're upgrading all their analog cameras to IP cameras over to Verkada. This is the same owner as Buckeye, where we did another video there where we installed all Verkada there and ripped it out. So we're doing the same thing here. He has 4 other restaurants after this that he also wants to upgrade, but we're going to show you this one today, start to finish.
Maybe another one in that corner there. On the A side, that's 10, and then the one above the office door frame would be 11. For me, more important is the coverage in the patio and the dining room, just because of accidents, any kind of incidents, and so on, right? And is this for like YouTube? For your guys, for YouTube, and so you guys can see your installations and so on. You know that other camera that's like by the bar? Yeah. So in the very corner, there's that black metal frame. The cables are ran up through back there. Okay. And you think that's where it is? Okay. I'm pretty sure that's where it is.
Because we didn't have the drawings, Brian's going to grab a piece of paper, we're going to draw it out and then mark out where you want the new ones versus old ones, just so we don't mess up. He's going to go grab. So we have the 4 in here in the bar, the 3 outside. Now we have 3 more indoor. One's going to be in your office.
So that would be right here looking back. Like if this is your office with the IT, we're going to be looking down the hallway. Right there's the whiteboard that's right here. So
now we have 2 more indoor. So basically we're done with indoor after this one here, and we have 2 more that you need to be outdoor.
So we can put one in here looking at the storage room, that'd be fine. Okay.
Yeah, I guess we could have something going up along that edge over there and down. Trying to capture the kitchen here in case there's accidents. Yeah, so let's get these 2 rolls, that black one, this cable caddy. Let's get the cameras, that box of cameras, this box of cameras out. For those 2 reels, you could stick them both on this guy, if that's tall enough. If not, oh, it actually goes up here maybe. Might be like that. He doesn't want it outside now, he wants it inside. But I want to pull 2 wires there anyways. But for this one that is going on the outside of the outside patio.
Oh, he doesn't want the outside.
He wants it on the inside so that he gets corner.
Okay, so screw the patio.
But let's pull 2 wires there so he gets one, because we still got to get there anyways, because he wants it on the inside now, right? What we're doing is that white wire, that's indoor wire, and it goes to that junction box where it's outdoor wire. We're going to replace it with outdoor, just to make it last longer. Yep. So if you had a ladder up here, a ladder right there, and someone was standing on the back of that, and it just went straight across the top, right? Yeah, how do you roll these up? Yeah, because I'm not sure if he's gonna want us to put a hole through that beam or not, you know what I mean? Well, we're gonna pull one, and then a spare for out here. Yeah, I need you to tone those out. Okay. So once he gets that open and he puts on the new black jumper and he remounts that camera, the outside camera, I still need to tone that out and find out where it's at. Because I need to repatch it onto our switch, onto our patch panel. So if you guys start pulling wire, you keep working on that camera. Once you're done with that camera until Tony gets here, probably another hour and 20, then you can come up here and help him start pulling down old ones and mounting the little cameras. So it has to be lower than this beam, which you're probably going to go lower than the fan.
Probably like right above this, like right there.
Yeah, where that bigger white spot is.
Yeah, out there.
We could either go on the brick with the white mount, and you'd have to self-tap it to that big mount that it doesn't fit, and stick it upside down. You know what I mean? Like right above the bottles. Put the L bracket there and stick the camera upside down. But is that one?
No, it's going to be shooting at the door though.
Yeah, is that one going to come more to the middle?
Do we want to bring it more in the middle and shoot straight at the door? Yeah, I like that too, personally. But
I just stick it right on the beam, right across the top, black wire.
What are you working on?
Just trying to run this cable from here to there.
This is Phase Music.
We do have that one more that we'll have to pull up and over. This one that I mounted. Either way, we'll have enough. We'll have enough and leave some slack we can shove or whatever.
This is Phase Music.
Two have to be installed, but the wire's there. And there was just termination and pop them on.
Yo, so that's it. We're done. We upgraded 10 cameras, ripped out all their old analog cameras, put in all new IP cameras, and they're loving it. We'll see you guys in the next one. Later.
You guys make the mole?
Oh yes, everything is from
Chocolate, chilies?
Yes, actually we have like right now two different kind of mole. We have the mole negro and the mole colorado.
Black, negro,
Yeah, the mole negro is
the red
sweet. It's sweet. Yeah, and the colorado it's a little bit not too sweet, but it's a little more spicy.